finally my cycle has been assembled. This is my new ride, as you can see. Okay, somebody's. Arey! Hey! Hey! Hey, what is up, guys? Hey, what is up, guys? I hope you people are doing fine. I know I don't release videos every week now then, but today is something special, and I hope you get to know soon. This is it. Yeah, except this one. This is mine. This is the cycle. I hope to assemble it and go for a ride as soon as possible.
One eternity later.
Yeah, so after 2 hours of struggle, I couldn't assemble it, so I'm going to call some help. Yo guys, finally my cycle has been assembled. This is my new ride, as you can see. Okay, somebody's. Arey! Hey! 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 साइकिल लेके क्यों आ गए तुम मेरा? क्या कर रहे हैं यश?
अरे हम देखा तुम वीडियो शूट कर रहे हैं, सोचा थोड़ा मस्ती किया जाए.
Okay, this is my friend Yash, by the way. It's prank कर रहा था. You see, I am riding the bike, but I'm unable to vlog because I have to continuously keep a watch on the road. So I'm going to see sunset. Well, I came here for sunset, but I could see this. Beautiful, isn't it? Hey guys, if you can see me, I don't know. It's a very dark place, dark alley.
Oh, you think darkness is your ally?
I hope you know this place. Victoria Memorial. I hope that I get glimpses of it because it's been days since I have seen Victoria Memorial, and why not visit the places if I have the ability to do so while maintaining social distancing and all the precautions. I am in Victoria Memorial finally. Let me show you by zooming a bit. It's out of focus. Yeah, of course. There are a lot of horse shit, and I accidentally stepped on it, and while accidentally stepping on it, I said it out loud, holy shit. And someone from the beside, he said, that's not holy shit, that's horse shit. I said, appreciate it. Then he went by, and yeah, that's it.
Classic dog.
Here's my ride, looking all sexy. Wow, traffic. It feels so good to see all these hustle and bustle noises. Wow. Hey guys, this is my cycle. No, it didn't come with Sai Baba. Its name is Vector 91. I guess 91 is born date. But I guess if it's 91, then he must be older than me. And thank you Frog Cycle for delivering it to me in very short time. And no, it's not a sponsor video, but if you want to sponsor me, please hit me up. And this is the handle, which handle most of the shit which I do. This is the seat which I sit on, and this is the tire through which it rotates. Thank you Frog Cycle again. and it comes with 5 star, which I obviously didn't give. The company gave it to its own cycle. But weird. Okay, moving on.
This is the tire, and there's a little bit of putty, but we can do with that. I think that's Sai Baba again, and do namaste to Sai Baba because it will bless you. And that's all, my friends. Thank you.